did that say?
Oh, not yet. You did not continue again. Sige, again. Take two. Again. What is that? Wait. What is that?
Doctor said.
Doctor said. How did you know? Who told you? Oh, Mama will do it. Oh, it's you're small boy. No.
Big boy.
No, you're not big boy yet. You're small. Mama will open.
Run.
Oh, Dr. Zaid. Dr. Zaid. Hello, Dr. Zaid.
Hello.
Hello. It's not telephone, Dr. Zaid. What's the name of that one, Dr. Zaid? Huh? Stethoscope, yes. Oh, there is Dr. Zaid with his new doctor set. Oh my god. To check the patient, Dr. Zaid. Huh? How? You will check the eyes? What's that? You're checking your eyes? No, it's not like that. You put like this, like.
No.
Oh my gosh, you're hurting your patient, Dr. Zaid.
Then.
Ding. Aha. You put the medicine, Dr. Zaid.
Now keep on listen.
Other medicine. This is for the mouth. This is oral, Dr. Zaid.
This is for the. This is.
Look here, Dr. Zaid. Dr. Zaid, where are you going, Dr. Zaid?
To the opposite.
You're going to the hospital? Okay. That's your service? That's your ambulance, Dr. Zaid? Oh, sige, go. Wow. There's an emergency, Dr. Zaid. Sige. Toys inside?
No.
Here. Wow. How many toys are there?
1, 2, 3, 4.
4. Very good. What are those?
1,
What are those?
3, 4.
What are those? Oh,
Toy.
fire truck, police car.
This car, garbage truck, ambulance, fire truck.
Oh, very good. Finished? So many cars, Zaid. How many cars are there?
What do people 1, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12?
12. Did you count? How'd you know? Oh. Sige, the other one. No. Go to Zaid. The yellow one.
Yellow one. Red one.
That one, what color?
Green.
Oh, you're aligning your toys? Oh my gosh, very nice. The other one, last one here.
That's my green.
Okay, good job, Zaid. Park.
It's back. It's something. What is that thing?
What is that, Zaid?
Clinic.
No. What's inside?
Sweeper truck.
Huh? Street sweeper truck. Yes. We'll see. Okay. What color? Okay. Again. We'll open. Okay. Where's it?
Muffin.
Inside. No, I think we have to open this side first. Yes.
So it's sweeper truck.
Yes. We have to open here and here.
That's sweeper.
Wait, I think here.
Look. Open it.
Where's the garbage bin? Put it here.
Garbage bin in the car.
Wait, take two, take two. Okay.
Zedo's back. I got something. What did that say? Toy.
Toy? What's it? What kind of toy?
A fire truck.
A fire truck. Oh my gosh, very nice toy. We'll see. What color is it? What color?
Red.
Red? Are you sure? Okay, let's find out. Okay, we'll open. Okay. Now, Zido and Mama will open the box. Okay, this is for Zaid and this is for Mama. Fix your hair. Okay. We'll open.
And
Use your scissors. The other one, the other side. Wait, not yet. Okay.
it's a toy.
Now, Zido will open.
Fire truck.
Oh, cartoon.
That's with a fire truck.
What kind of cartoon is this?
A fire truck.
Oh, wait. Oh, look, oh. Oh. Protect. Oh, now they are using like this, not the, the bubble, what's that? Bubble plastic.
Help me.
Wow, nice.
Oh, what I give it?
Huh? Want to? I don't know. You can open like. Wait. We'll open. We cut the plastic. Oh, it's not good. Where's the other scissor? We'll use the other scissor.
Fire truck.
Wow, nice fire truck. It's red. Fire truck is always red, right?
It's stuck. Why is
Show
stuck?
to them first, like this. Wait, show to them. Wait, put it down. Put it down. Look here. Look at the camera. Look at the camera. Look at the camera. Look at the camera. Here is the camera, Zaid. That is the camera. Look. Smile. Okay. So now, Mama will open the
That's fire truck.
too much plastic. Mama will cut. Remove your hand. Sling it. Wow. Is it nice? Yeah? Oh. Where's the other fire truck? Oh, nice. Huh? Let's check if it needs batteries. I think no. I think it will just normal. Same like this one, oh, doesn't need battery. There is a battery. This is the old one, broken already, and now Zido has new one.
Oh, the fire truck.
Oh, show to them the fire truck. Okay. Where's the fireman?
Here.
The fireman, no? And sige, show to them the ladder. It's a longer one. Longer.
Oh,
Remove your hand.
Up. The one is
Oh.
going down.
Do not. Oh,
Wait.
Mm.